Hey, what is up, guys? It is your dude, your homie, your guy, Camden Garris, back with another video. And guys, my hair is like going brown. What? Alright, go check out my last video, as we're just gonna start with this really quickly. Go check out my last video, subscribe, like, and comment down below. And follow me on Instagram, it's Camden Garris. And then follow me on TikTok, it's Camden Garris 17. Alright? But as you can tell by the title, we will be burping the alphabet part 2. Not 1, but 2, because we already did 1. Alright? Alright. I've been eating too many fur hairs. Like, you know, like fur, like hair. Like, I've just been eating hair, you know. Alright, anyways, let's just get on to this video because it will be very long, kind of not. But, yeah, sorry, I have no other types of videos. Like, I'm still trying to figure everything out with my phone. Like, try to get it fixed. Alright, okay, alright, here we go. A, B, E, C, E, D, E, E, F, E, G, G, H, right? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, alright. H, I, alright. J, A, K, just kidding. Dude, it's like so red. Alright. L, M, ooh, that was like, N, O, ooh, P, E, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, 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 R. Let's just not talk about my hair right now. It's like all over. E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S. Whoa. T, E, U, V, E, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, O, X, Y, Z. Alright, there we go. Oh, wait, hold on. Got someone calling me. Hold on. Yo, Mr. Grinch. Oh, you don't want them to have Christmas, but you want them to subscribe to me? Alright, I'll tell them. Alright, so Mr. Grinch says to subscribe to me. Alright, so subscribe and like and comment down below. But, yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. You guys are literally amazing. And, guys, I literally actually mean that from my heart. My heart's right here. Right? Yeah, right here. And yeah, but subscribe, like, and comment down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. It is your dude, your homie, your guy, Camden Garris, checking out for now, and Peace. Stay positive, guys.